होटल से निकल चुके हैं, अभी हम क्रूज को जा रहे हैं।
We have finally reached to the Falcon cruise, and we will show you how it is. It is very beautiful, and Mummy. This is the starters what we got. Hello guys, we are starting today's vlog from the Dubai's famous thing, and that is our Dubai frame. Oh my god.
Hello guys.
Is it visible? Yeah.
Guys, मैं आ गया.
It is so nice, yeah. It is
Guys,
tall.
बिना चश्मे के हम ऊपर नहीं देख सकते, वो भी काले चश्मे के.
Let's wear.
सूरज की किरणें.
Shlok, come. Where are you? Oh.
Guys, अब किधर हो? मैं अपने आप को ही नहीं देख पा रहा.
तो हम दिख रहे हैं वो गॉगल्स के लिए. Finally, we have reached this, and
Guys, हम
we'll go up and click pictures. We'll go on the bridge. Yeah. So we'll click pictures, and the first thing we saw today is Dubai frame.
अभी next.
We saw the Dubai frame, and अभी हम next spot जा रहे हैं. We have come to our next spot, that is
अभी हम
Future Museum, and we'll go inside and see and come, then later start a vlog. So how are you feeling?
मजा.
This is so nice.
इधर पहले फोटो खिंचवाते हैं हम.
Let's go and see. We are not doing inside because our battery is less inside video. So we'll go and come. Bye bye. Guys, we have done so much of photo shoot, and seriously, this is so nice. I felt it very luxurious, you know, all the things and all the buildings and that also. We are going inside now. I'll show you little because my battery is low. Going inside. It's written in Urdu, everything. Show you some non-living bird. I guess you can't see there. You only call it any name. It's kinda drone, I guess. how's the sun?
लगता है आज सूरज माँ बहुत गुस्से में.
And in Dubai. Let me show. So come this side. And guys, we'll show you the Golden Hotel, that is 7-star hotel. You can see behind me. I saw it. It's too sunny, I'm not able to open my eyes. I'll take a video now and I'll put it. Let's collect some. Wash them. फिर मन होगಬೇಕು. Yes guys, now we were in Dubai Mall. Our lunch was booked here, and next we are going to the most awaited building and the tallest building, to Burj Khalifa. So let's see. I'm super excited for Burj Khalifa more than anything. So I'm waiting. You know guys, this Dubai mall is super. You will feel like clicking picture everywhere. So oh, let me show you something very cool. So still I will be roaming, and evening we have Japan, China towns here, so we'll be roaming and seeing that. Now let's go to Burj Khalifa and see the view of Dubai. Just see.
Just have a look first where you walk. From the point,
That point. We saw the point because we will get to know how much up we are going. So excited. Let's see.
beautiful. So we will
so much difference. Guys, this is from 25th floor of Burj Khalifa. Wow.
Bye.